Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Professor T-Rex, and in this video I'm going to share with you some important updates and information regarding the new NFT game na Binemon. Okay, and also in this video we will have our pa-thank you raffle which I promised in my other video. So thank you so much to those who joined this very simple lang na thank you sa inyong lahat. So, let's start. Actually, kagigising ko lang, no, at ito agad yung ginawa ko. Okay, so let's start. Ayan, no, ito po yung mga nag-join. So, congrats, no, in advance sa mga mananalo. Magkakaroon tayo ng tatlong winners. Ayan, guys. So, let's start. Sino kaya yung mananalo? Okay, so we have Angelique Nadora. Okay, how about our next winner? Loading. Uh, okay, so we have Miss Jenny Rose Alarsio. Ayan, congrats, ma'am. And for the last one, buti na lang hindi to quiz, no? Kasi kung quiz, I'm sure nakakakaba. Okay, last. Okay, so we have ayan, France, Andre Flores. Okay, thank you so much guys for joining and congratulations also. Ayan, so update ko na lang kayo mamaya. Sige, so let's now move on to the main point of this video. Yan, so let's start. Okay guys, so just a very short update no regarding the price of the DRK token. Yesterday, I made a video about the price of this token and we made the predictions no of the prices that we have to take note. Ayan. So, plot muna natin yung ating Fibonacci. Medyo loading. Ayan. Sobrang loading. Ayan. Na-plot din natin yung ating Fibonacci. So, these were the prices that we have to take note. Ayan. Actually, guys, nalagpasan nyo na yung 0.382 natin na ratio. And it's already heading to 0.5 na ratio natin. And if this price is broken, guys, it's gonna go up until 618. Itong 0.5, guys, it's already a strong resistance. And also this 0.618 na ratio, mas strong ito siya na resistance. Okay? And kapag itong 0.618 again, ma-break, the price would really go up and up. Okay, until $0.4. So, nawala na naman. Bakit ba nagkakaproblema itong Hotbit? Shoutout pala no kay Carl Tabernilla ba yun? Oo, nag-suggest ako sa kanya na mag-exchange siya ng DRK dito sa Hotbit and then hindi pumasok guys. So I feel so guilty about it. Na-depress ako for a while kagabi. Buti na hindi siya nagalit sa akin. Yun, kasi nag-suggest ako sa kanya. I didn't expect na hindi magiging successful yung transaction niya with Hotbit. So I don't know, for those who wanna try Hotbit, natatakot na ako mag-suggest tuloy. Yan. So thank you kay Carl for not getting mad. Okay, so ito yung prices guys no that we have to take note, ngayon parang tina-try na ng candles na i-break yung 0.5 natin, no? Yung 0.29890 na price. Tingnan niyo yung candles, guys. Ayan. Kapag ito siya, nalagpasan ng candles, the break niya ito, it's gonna go up until 0.03 dollars. 0.034636. Okay? Tama ba yung fib natin? Ayan. And kapag ito guys, tumaas pa ng 0.3, 0.034636, pag yan nalagpasan niya pa, it's gonna go up until $0.4. $0.04. So, yan yung aking prediction. So, bantay-bantay tayo no, sa price ni DRK. Kasi ngayon, tumataas yung kanyang price. Yung bili ko sa coin na to, it was only 0.68 dollars, ay 0.68 centavo, no? Nandito pa lang yung price niya. Tapos ngayon, my God, ilang percent yung tinaas? 72% guys. Overnight pa lang yan siya ha. Hindi pa nagla-launch yung game. So, that's it no. That's a short update lang regarding the price of the RK na token. Okay, so this time guys, we will talk about some information that I want you to know about Binemon. Okay, ginawan ko siya ng PowerPoint presentation. Talagang kinareer ko na yung paggawa ng ganito. Ayan. So, di ba ang ganda? Buti na lang walang quiz after ng aking video. Gusto niyo bang magpa-quiz? And tapos merong reward whenever you get the right answer. Well, anyway, yan. Trip-trip lang. So, let's start. First, ayan no, Binemon, it focuses on game rules. Ito yung kanyang focus, player experiences, quests, and player interaction expansion, context, story of champions, quantity, quality of items, champions, market to exchange items, and champions. Again, so yan yung kanyang focus ng game. No? Ito yung tinatry nilang i-develop since pa nung previous months until sa following months pa. Okay, undergoing pa talaga yung kanyang development. And then, ano ba yung elements ng ating mons? So, tawag natin sa ating mga ibibreed dito ay mons. So, meron siyang 8 parts. We have the head, body, tail, ears, face, skin, horn, and wings. And then we have 3 forms, my baby, teenager, and adult. And then yung stats niya, meron tayong damage, defense, HP, MP, so on. So, mga common lang din naman na features to sa isang NFT game. And then class, rank, and level. And then ito yung races nila. Ano to siya inspired to siya sa mga meme coins. So we have the Dodge, Cat, Unicorn, and Titan. And then, ito yung evolution and rank system niya. So every mon will grow through 3 phases. So yun yung baby, teenage, and adult. And then yung appearance of a mon consists of 8 parts na mention ko na kanina. And how each part looks will be different as the mon evolves. So, yun no, may evolution din to, kagaya ng my DeFi bet. Every mon will have 7 ranks. So meron tayong ED, CBA, SSR. So ano ba itong mga ranks na to? Okay, so ito yung ranks niya. Rank E and D, baby yung rank mo. CBA, teenage, S and SR, adult. Okay? So, sa marketplace, pwede kang pumili ng anong rank yung gusto mong bilhin. Okay? And then, class system, meron tayong 5 classes. We have a fighter, archer, mage, tanker, and support. And then, a mon's class will be classified from its core stats in its body. So, meron siyang damage, may defense, HP, MP. So, kung talagang gamer ka, alam na alam mo, no, kung ano yung hinahanap mo when it comes to damage, when it comes to defense, alam mong mag-analyze ng mga characters. Yan. Ako medyo slow pa ako dito, but I'm trying my best to be more knowledgeable when it comes to the stats, skills, no, and yeah, of every character. And then each part of a mon might develop with more than one stat. Okay, so, ang daming pwedeng i-look forward no, sa game na to. Yan. Ito pa lang kasi yung overview na binibigay ng admin regarding the game. And then leveling system, so meron tayong maximum level which is 100, and leveling up requires experience point which can be obtained from battles and mga story map roaming. And then Mon's maximum level will be limited by its current rank. So meron tayong different ranking. Meron siyang table. Okay, so ito yung kanyang leveling system. Meron tayong rank E and D, that's level 0 to 20. Rank C, B, and A, that's level 21 to 60. And we have rank S and SR, that's level 61 to 100. Yan. And this July 15, the launching date, these are the things that we can expect from this game. So meron na silang roadmap. So phase 1 ng kanilang roadmap, they have this Prometheus na title. So sa web pa lang siya pwede, magkakaroon ng purchasing of eggs. Ayan. Sa first day nyo guys, there are only 50,000 eggs no, na pwedeng mabili na discounted at 75%. Ayan. And then sa phase 1, you can hatch your own Binemon. And then you can also purchase Ambrosia to crossbreed Binemons. Ayan. So yun po yung gamit ni Ambrosia sa laro. You can do crossbreeding. And then you can also merge Benimons and then buy or sell Benimons on marketplace. Ayan. And then inventory to organize your Benimons, Benimon ranking system, and then Benimon runs on DRK chain. Okay, so ito po yung mangyayari sa phase 1 sa launching ng game. And there are a lot of things pa no, that we can discover sa phase 1. Malalaman natin yan mamaya, no? Kung ano ba talaga yung meron sa game. Mamaya na pong 9 p.m. yung launching niya. And then, guys, sa phase 2 naman, we have the Artemis. And so here, we can do leveling up of Binemons, introduce Binemons class, like we have already the tanker, fighter, archer, mage, support, etc. So parang preparation na siya no, for the battles. And then here, there is now an incorporation of Binemon team battle, ayan, for PvE and player versus environment. So sa PvE, meron tayong campaign. Players will complete the main quest to receive rewards. So ito po yung Ambrosia. Ambrosia po yung marireceive natin na rewards, no? And we can unlock new features by playing this. Ayan. And also, sa phase 2 pa rin siya, open trading for Ambrosia on marketplace. So pwede tayong mag-ipon-ipon ng Ambrosia and we can sell those sa marketplace, inventory to organize items, and introduce Binemon skill system. Ayan. And then magkakaroon pa ng mga bagong Binemons. Yan. And for the phase 3, hanggang dito lang. Phase 3, magkakaroon din ng incorporation of Binemon team battle for PvP. Ayan. So, meron tayong player versus player, players winning fights in the arena to receive big prizes, organizing your friends and Binemon, so magkakaroon din ng friendship sa game na to, and you can add new friends. So, ayan, parang na rin siyang social media na game, which is nice. So, let's be friends no, sa game na to once the phase 3 is already out. And also, there will be mailbox. And then, diversify battle system and skills of Binemons. Magkakaroon ulit ng new Binemons. And storyline for PvE. Ayan, guys. So, dyan lang muna, no? Hanggang phase 3 lang muna yung ating roadmap. And I will update you for the upcoming phases of the game pa. Yan. So, very short lang yung ating video today. I hope I was able to provide information to everyone. So, for those who are interested, you can go, pero kung wala namang sa pilitan nito, itong sa akin, ano now, I'm just providing you with information. And to those who are asking me for tutorial regarding how to buy the DRK token, I might come up with a tutorial later, no? So, stay tuned lang kayo. At saka hintay-hintay lang talaga, guys, kasi may busy rin ako minsan. Ayan. But I appreciate no, those who are asking me questions. At saka, doon sa mga nagsabi na medyo hindi okay yung quality ng aking audio, don't worry, nag-order na rin ako sa Shopee ng mic. Ayan, for preparation na rin ng aking class this upcoming semester. Anyway, thank you so much no, to those who watched my videos and those who subscribed and liked. And if you have the time, sa mga bago pa sa aking channel, please click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will keep you updated pa regarding this game and regarding other topics no, related to cryptocurrencies and other interesting things. Ayan. So goodbye everyone and have a great day. Bye!